Good morning. Now it's time for your social studies, and today we'll be discussing question answer of chapter 5, India, States and Union Territories. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Who looks after the affairs of the whole country? We have a government to look after the affairs of the whole country. It is called the central or the union government, which looks after the major problems of all the people of the country. So the problems that arises in the country, it is look after the central or the union government looks after the affairs of the problem of our country. Into how many parts of a country has been divided? It is very difficult for the central to manage such a large country. Therefore, our country has been divided into smaller parts called the state and the union territories. How many states are there in India? There are 29 states in India. What is called the state government? Who runs the state government? Each state has its own elected government, and this is called the state government. And who runs the state government? There are governor, chief minister and other ministers to run the state government. Name the biggest state and the smallest state in India. Madhya Pradesh is the biggest state in India and Goa is the smallest one in the area. How many union territories are there in India? There are 8 union territories in India. Which is the oldest language of the world? Sanskrit is one of the oldest languages of the world. What are the two types of government in India? The central government and the state government are the two types of government in India. Write short notes on central government. The central government, it is also known as the union government, and it is based in Delhi, which is the capital of India. The central government, it consists of the president. So the central government consists of president, prime minister and other ministers, and the people of India vote to select the ministers. So who selects the ministers? The people of India, they vote to select the ministers. Write short note on state government. India is a very big country with a large number of people. It is difficult for the central government to carry on the whole affairs and the problems of the whole country. Therefore, each state has its own government, state government, and the state government, it consists of the governor, chief minister and other ministers who altogether runs the government. Who governs the union territories? The union territories are governed directly by the central government. Name the previous and the recent southernmost tip of India. The southernmost tip of India was Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The part of the land has now gone underwater after the deadly tsunami that had arrived in 2004. Now Kanyakumari is now the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Match the following. Assam, the capital is Dispur. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar or Jammu. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Punjab, Chandigarh. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Tripura, Agartala. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. West Bengal, Kolkata. Tick the correct option. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. There are 8 union territories in India. So I have discussed the question answer. Copy all the question answer and match the following. Tick the correct option in your notebook and learn it, by heart it. Thank you.